When we're talking about replacement brake parts, there's a strong case to be made for recommending premium products. Let's break it down for you and your customers. It all starts with safety. There's no question that brakes are safety-critical components. They're responsible for stopping the vehicle safely and effectively in various conditions. Compromising on quality and construction of replacement pads, rotors, calipers, and other brake components can directly impact the safety of the driver and passengers. Premium brake parts are engineered with advanced materials and technologies that provide better stopping power, increased durability, and enhanced heat dissipation. This means that premium brakes are less likely to fade under intense use, maintaining their effectiveness over a longer period. For customers who frequently drive in challenging conditions, such as towing heavy loads, navigating mountainous terrains, or engaging in high-speed driving, premium brakes can make a big difference in their vehicle's braking performance. Premium brake parts often come with features that enhance the driving experience. For instance, premium brake pads might include noise dampening technology and anti-dust formulation. These features not only contribute to a quieter, cleaner driving experience, but also reduce the maintenance required to keep the braking system in top condition. By recommending these high-quality options, you're helping customers avoid common issues associated with lower-tier products such as squealing, vibration, and excessive brake dust. Another key point to consider is the long-term value that premium brakes provide. While the initial cost may be higher, the extended lifespan and reliability of the premium brakes means fewer replacements and repairs over time. This translates to cost savings for your customers in the long run. When customers understand that investing in premium brakes can reduce the frequency of brake service appointments and potential downtime, they're more likely to see the value in choosing the best tier option. That said, when we're talking about brakes, it always comes to safety. In emergency situation, every inch of stopping distance is magnified. The enhanced stopping power of premium brakes can significantly reduce stopping distances, potentially preventing accidents and saving lives. As a trusted advisor, it's your responsibility to ensure that customers are aware of how critical high-quality brakes are for their safety and the safety of their passengers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.